So let's get started. Open your image into your Photoshop and your texture paint image. Select, then copy the texture paint. Now go back to your image model. Then paste the texture paint into the other image. Adjust the size image, just the exact to cover the skin. Go to blending mode, select multiply. Now click mask to the texture paint layer. Now invert the mask. Click Ctrl I. You can use the brush tool or the eraser when applying the mask area. Check your color option to black and white. You can reverse the brush that you use by clicking X to your keyboard. Now duplicate the mask layer. Right-click, then delete existing mask. Then create a new mask to your duplicate texture. Ctrl I to invert the mask. You can also rename your layer. Now select your duplicate layer. Then apply the mask, the same thing that you did in the face. Now we are going to create a dark texture and a light texture, to make the image to have a more realistic paint effect. Duplicate the texture layer. Right-click and delete the mask. Select blending mode, choose screen. Create a new mask. Then invert the mask. Mask the area that will be your light reflection. Duplicate the texture layer. Then adjust it for the dark area. Repeat the same process of masking your image. Apply the mask area to enhance the dark shadow of your image. Repeat the same process. You can add levels to enhance the shadow. Then clip the adjustment layer to your mask. Right-click, then select Clipping Mask. Then select the texture layer, and mask out the area. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.